Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be eating a balot. Balot is ambot. Duck something. Egg duck something. There's a duck inside. And so, pinakurat, vinegar, and then the salt. So it's been so long that I haven't been eating balot. I think it's been 2 years because we cannot normally buy it here in Denmark, of course. You have to go to a special store, Asian store, and you don't have it all the time. So here it is. Removing the shell. Smile sa tagamay. So this is the inside. And then I have to remove the...
You can also buy that in New York City.
Story. How did you know? You've been there?
Yeah. I buy one. Ayun, siguro. No.
Oh my god, oh really? Okay, so I already removed the... Ala, shit! Oh my gosh!
Gusto mo kadaog ka ng...
What is it called? What is it
pang-libre
called?
yun. The embryo.
Embryo.
Duck egg with embryo. Char.
So, now it's open. I'll put the vinegar. There you go. A little salt. And then sip it.
Suck it.
Yeah, that's right. Suck it. Like, you know.
How does it taste? Tastes like balot.
It tastes so good, actually. Really. I mean, a lot are like, oh, I don't want to eat that. That looks disgusting. But if you think about it, it's just an egg. So now,
So how much does it cost?
yeah, how much it cost? 20 kroner. So one piece of this here is 20 kroner. And in Philippines, that's equivalent to, I don't know, 20 times 7. You do that. You do the math. 140? 140 pesos for this. But it's understandable because you cannot just buy it on the street. So now I'm gonna eat it. You can see there's like the yellow part in there.
Please don't forget the vinegar and the salt.
Ah, yeah. That's actually right.
Don't be so takaw, farmer.
You're so bad yourself. Don't be like that. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, I remove it anyway like this. Could be family. We gotta get the juice first so it doesn't drip. Oh my gosh, can you see? That's the hair. That's the... It's almost there. Oh my gosh. Now remove that shell. We put vinegar again. Then the salt. And then eat. Mm.
It's the ugly duckling.
It doesn't look that bad. It's 18 days, so the duck is not that big.
Lami kay dai. Lami na siyang baluta.
Lami ning baluta. Really, it tastes so good.
Should try it.
So guys, if ever there's a chance for you to actually taste a balot, you do it. It's an experience. And if normally they will ask you how many days would you like to have, if you want it doesn't look so ill, so choose the 18 days. And if you wanted a bigger duck inside, then you choose 21. But for me, 18 is the perfect days. 18 is the perfect day, so it doesn't look so scary. Should you share?
And the suka is pinakurat is the best.
Yes. It will taste so good if you got this kind of vinegar. Pinakurat, so it's a mixture of different kinds of spices. Plus the vinegar, of course. It costs around 30 krona for this small one here, but it's worth it. Manalay. Thank you so much for watching. That was the balut eating experience. Tastes good. I love it.
Try it.